Hi, I'm Jody Rietti, and I am the co-owner of Goodas Good Food, also featuring the Diet Starts Monday menu, which is a vegan, gluten-free menu. We just opened 2 weeks ago, and these recipes, though, that are on both menus, we've been doing for a very long time in our own kitchens. And we found that, especially for the Diet Starts Monday, there are not a lot of different options in Jamaica for vegan and gluten-free. So I decided to extend what it is that I do at home into the kitchen here for everyone else to enjoy. A lot of the recipes come from my husband's mother, and also our own creations that we've done over the years. We used to run a restaurant in Montreal, and so a lot of the things that we've learned with running a business like this, we have taken here. Customer service is at the top of our list. We love when we get a relationship and a conversation going with our clients so that they come back, and we feel that it's going really good. And I find that this gluten-free vegan menu is really taking off here in Jamaica. People like options, and I think Jamaica needed a little bit of that.
Hi, I'm Mala Morrison, Jamaica Observer Food Awards judge, and I'm here at the new spot Goodas in Loshusan Plaza. I've had the oxtail and the soup and a few other things, and I mean, Goodas is just really a spin on the box lunch concept. But what's great about Goodas is the sister brand called Diet Starts Monday has healthy options, and today I tried the tuna salad on kale and it was amazing. They also have other options like granola products to take home and almond cups that are vegan. So I'm really glad for a new spot in Loshusan where I can grab a quick bite after the gym.
A little bit of difference, a little bit of options, and Goodas, it is a Jamaican menu, Jamaican food menu, but we've just elevated a lot of the dishes. We use, fresh shrimp from fishermen. We use the fried chicken, which is the best thing on the menu for Goodas. I think that's the best seller. It's just like a mashup of just things that we love, my husband and I and our family, and that we've just created into these dishes. You can order through our Instagram as well, which is at Goodas Good Food, and you can call in as well. And then stay tuned for next month when we'll be delivering.